Mandatory water use restrictions have been announced now for Westfield.
According to Westfield's Water Commission, the city is dealing with a water supply shortage due to the removal of 2 municipal wells because of contamination. From now until September 30th, customers are asked to limit non-essential water use to help maintain an adequate supply. That includes limiting sprinkler use as well as car and building washing. Non-essential water use will be allowed on certain days for odd and even-numbered home addresses.